this is my first video on YouTube, and basically this channel is going to be about programming and sometimes a vlog, some kind of vlog, kind of travel vlog, or normal daily life vlog basically, and sometimes kind of gaming, but most of the times it is going to be having these programming videos and programming tutorials. I might record videos related to Node.js, Python, like I don't know. I'll just record whatever I like related to programming or something like that. But today we'll be learning how we can use a library known as react-native-otp-verify. So this is a library basically, and we use this to automatically fill in the OTP after reading the message. So let's just begin. First of all you have to do is download this library using npm or yarn. I'm using npm, you can use yarn as well. Just paste it here and press enter. There is some error. I think I should use yarn. I don't know why is that happening, but I'll figure that out later. Okay, I'm using yarn to just okay, it is successfully I have successfully installed the dependency. Instead of text, I'll be using text input, or is it input text? Yes, it is text input. I think, yeah, it has been imported automatically from here. So if you don't know how to do that, how to automatically import it, let me just show you. You can type the thing whatever you want to import, and instead of writing it down, you can just press tab over it. So just press tab, and yeah, it'll be automatically imported. So here we'll be filling the thing, like filling the OTP, but before that we have to write some functions inside use effect. Maybe we will see. So these are the functions which we have to write down, but before that we have to import react-native-otp-verify from react-native-otp-verify. So like basically it is rn-otp-verify from react-native-otp-verify. We can see that in the example here in npm.js, they are using class-based component, but we have to use, like I'm using functional components. Let me just close it down, close the terminal. So by the way, the shortcut for closing the terminal is Control plus a backtick, like single backtick. So this is the shortcut for closing the terminal. So first we have to import it, then we can use effect, and we'll have to import it as well. So again, see, it is automatically imported from React. So they're not using use effect because they're not using functional component. So I hope you know what are class-based component or what are functional components. So we're using here functional components. Let's just copy this whole thing up to here and put it down inside use effect. Okay, and just remove this arrow function from there. We don't want that to be there, but just add const in front of this. Remove this as well, like string, because it is kind of TypeScript and we're just using vanilla JavaScript here. We're not using TypeScript, so there's no need of giving the type a string or anything. You can just leave it like this, and we'll just remove this function out of use effect and just paste that in here, and remove this dot here, like remove this and this dot here. Okay, I hope like you're getting what I'm saying. So yeah, one more thing, like I don't like editing videos a lot. I just basically take one or two shots, and that is single shot. Like most of the times it is single shot. I don't like spending a lot of time in editing or things like that. I really find editing like sometimes useless, so there might be only one or two jump cuts, but basically most of the times it is going to be like raw shot. So if there are any noises or anything in the background, then please forgive me. So here you have to like remove this arrow as well. Now it should look something like this, but I don't know why it is happening. I don't know what just happened. Okay, like, let me just reload the application. That is not a function. Okay, let me see, what is it? Okay, after installing it, we have not rebuilt the application, so just do npx react native run android. Then I hope probably the problem will be solved. Let's see what happens. By the way, if you're loving, or like if you're finding this useful, then you can consider subscribing the video. You can like the video. You can share it as well with your friends who are also learning JavaScript, like who are also learning React Native. Like, this channel is not only about React Native. In future, I'll be posting videos related to React, Node.js, or many other things as well. Like, it is taking a while. I don't know why, but yeah, it is what it is. See, we don't have any error anymore. So okay, we have everything we wanted here. So there's one more thing in here, this .set state. So they were using some state inside their class component, but we don't have any state up till now, but we will create some state. So for that, we will use useState, and we will use OTP and set OTP useState. So basically it is going to be an empty string, but we will just change it up here. Set OTP, and here and just OTP. Okay. By the way, it might get confused between these, so I'm just naming this LOTP. So you can just write it down like this. Like, just try renaming this. Okay. So far we have created this, and let's see what do we get in here. Instead of this, I'm writing OTP here. So let's see. Okay, so far we have nothing in here. Okay, let's see what happens if some message comes. So for that, we have to send a local message. Because I'm using a simulator, I have to send a message something like this. Oh, okay, before that, let me tell you one thing. The OTP verification message should always start with this symbol. Okay, and here should be your OTP, 6 letters OTP, and it should end with a hash code. And how do we get that hash code? By the way, here's the hash code. See, we have this hash code, and this is printed using this library, react-native-otp-verify. See, we're just consoling it in here. As soon as we're getting the hash, we're just printing it out to the console. So we have to, like, if you're creating a backend, then you have to send all the messages with this hash at the end. Okay, so keep that in mind. Let's say we have the OTP of 123 and at the end we have this hash. Now if I send the message, okay, we have this dots. Okay, I have not updated something in here. Let me see what I have not updated. This dot set state is not a function. P console.log p. I don't know what I've done wrong. I think I'll have to rebuild the application. I don't know why, but it seems to be a problem. Okay, it is not recognizing keyboard.dismiss. See, because we have not imported keyboard. We can import it, or you can just comment it out. Okay, see, we have the OTP here, but you can notice one thing. We have sent 6-digit OTP, and here we can see only 4-digit OTP. That is because here in the regex we have to update how many numbers of OTP is going to be. So here if I say 6, then next time it is going to read 6. See, as soon as the message appears, it updates the OTP in here. For example, if I now send something 333333 and send it down, okay, it is not updating because like it is only for one time, because we have put it in use effect. But you can just, like, you got the point, right? You can just update it according to you. At first it is empty, so we are unable to see anything in here, but when I just click send message, you can see that it automatically reads and updates the text in here. So that was it for today. Like, I'll be seeing you guys soon. I'll be back again soon with some amazing video, like some useful video. And if you find this video useful, then you can just subscribe, or you can just like, share with your friends, and I'll be back again soon. Thank you so much.